What's up everyone, welcome back to Resell Life episode 34. In this episode we have the LiveCop footage of the Yeezy Bananas, the Yeezy 700 Mauves, and then the Jordan 5 Moonlights. We also have some exciting news about botting, reselling, consulting, and a huge update on our merch that we have coming soon. So be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you think of these Yeezy Bananas. Let's get into the video. Well, we'll see guys, we'll see what happens here. But yeah guys, I'm not sure how this is gonna go. Only running base sizes. Only running one copy. Oh, we got one carded already on Valor. Look at that. Oh, I just hit on Noble.
Wow.
First hit on Noble. We got one on Noble, guys. Check that on Noble. Let's go. So there it is. We'll have this server going over here, Valor, Prism, Noble. We'll have this server going over here, Valor, Prism, Noble, Stormy. There it is. We are set up and ready for these Jordan 5s. If I do it here, then I don't have to stop the stream. We can just roll right into it. Oh, we've already started. Stormy's already started. Yep, look at that. Already starting, boys. Boom. We're already hitting. Look at that. Already hitting, boys. Already going crazy. What's happening everywhere else? I gotta drag it over like that. Just a lot, man. Chill out, Stormy. Chill out. Alright, I haven't even looked. How are you guys doing right now? I'm just getting messages from Stormy like crazy. So the thing is, you can't really tell what's a checkout and what isn't on Stormy, because most of the time, like half of the declines end up being checkouts. So yeah, and we're still right now we have over like 70 messages already. So there's no telling of those. There's no telling how many of those stick, how many of those PV, or how many stick right now and then PV later. You know, it's just, it is what it is. Stormy won't be quiet. Yeah, looking like, see, but then some go through, so. That's Prism. Alright. Okay. Alright. 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 Noble. Releases like this are fun though. Okay, Noble. Just because like they're just fun, man. They're just easy, you know? And occasionally you need a release like this. Noble is ripping right now. Jeez, Noble's really ripping. This is my first time using Noble on a foot site release. Gosh. Alright then, Noble, go off. Just confirmed checkouts that we have. And once again, this... honestly, I mean, it may not mean much. Just because there probably is a ton unlogged from Stormy. 3 over here on this copy of Prism. What is that? 13 on this copy of Stormy. Another 2 over here. Thought we had some over here. Definitely had some over here. Not update. Then another 2 over here. So, I don't know, somewhere around probably, I don't know, maybe 16 or 17. DSG is iffy though. They may cancel all of me. What just happened? Everything stopped. Wait. Okay, Noble. Stop it. Oh, there's our other. Said stop, Noble. I said stop. We have 3 shoes to unbox here at the end of the video. And they're 3 pretty interesting shoes that you've seen one of them before and the other 2 you haven't. So let's go ahead and check these out. First shoe you guys have seen a lot on the channel. I got this one. It's a grade school size. I actually got 2 of these that are coming in. These are the Jordan 4 Lightnings in case you haven't seen them. And I got these thanks to Valor through their automation setup. I've actually been getting a lot of grade school Lightnings thanks to Valor and their automation setup. So if you guys have Valor, make sure that you have their automation set up because it's super easy. And then if you want to see a video on how to set up automations on Valor and Prism, for example, just comment down below and let me know. That's a video that I think would be beneficial to most people. So if you guys want to see that, just let me know. The next box is a box that we haven't seen in a good while. It's a black Nike box. That may not give it away, but this logo on the back sure does. It's a Supreme box. Also, we have a deck of mini Supreme playing cards. I guess that's the item that they're giving away with everything this season. But this is actually a pair of the Air Force Ones Supreme in the black colorway. I actually got this one manual on a restock. This is a size 6.5. So I only went for it because it was a size 6.5. So it should be pretty easy to move and pretty decent money. But these things have been restocking so much that eventually they may get to a point where it's kind of tough to move. I don't go for any sizes really above like 8, and especially not in the black colorway. The black colorway is definitely the worst one. The white one you can still make money on in any size, but the black one probably only like sizes 6.5 and 7 and below what you can make money on. So that's a tough one. But the last shoe is one that we haven't seen. It's a recent release, which had pretty low stock, and I was pretty surprised that we were able to get one. And this is a Nike Dunk Low in a size 11.5. And we actually got this one off Sneakers. We've been having a lot of Sneakers dubs lately, so I'm pretty surprised that we were able to get this one. I only went for it because of the size, and somehow we were able to hit. And I think this is a shoe that once people get it in hand and they see it, the value will definitely go up a little bit because it's a really nice shoe in hand. The tongue really has that retro vibe to it, which I think most people like. I'm a big fan of it, so this is a good one. Also, size 11.5 is a pretty tough size to get. So the fact that we were able to get a size 11.5, there's going to be pretty good money on that one. We'll probably be shipping most of those out to consignment because that's where we are able to move them the most. So you guys saw this LiveCop. You saw that we were able to run a bunch of bots on different servers. My server providers, mainly servers. You guys can check them out with my code down there in the description. And then also Sauce servers. They also have a code down there in the description. So if you guys are looking for a server, go check out one of those providers. As you guys can see, they both perform extremely well. Mainly has been on my channel for a long time. They're very trusted with me, very great partnership with them. Sauce is kind of new. I've only been able to use them for one drop, but so far I'm pretty impressed. So if you guys are looking for a server, which I highly suggest having at least one 24/7 server so you guys can run restocks, then check out one of those companies down there. We have those descriptions linked down there below. That's the end of the video, guys. Episode 34, I think. So thank you so much for watching this one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you guys on the next one.